joining us today, this Saturday. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to tune in. And we have some of our team members today here with us who are going to be co-hosting the meeting. I'm Christina, the Managing Director at Paper Airplanes, and today we're going to take you through our graduation ceremony to recognize the hard work of not only our students, but also our team members, those in our network, everyone who makes what we do at Paper Airplanes possible. So onto the agenda to give everyone a preview of what we'll be doing today. Well, first up, we just want to recognize our board and then our advisory board. We also want to take a look at our interns and staff. And then we have a couple of speeches from our program teams, from our Women in Tech program manager and coordinator, and also our English program manager. And of course, we'll be graduating some students today from both of the programs as well. So our board members have contributed quite a bit to Paper Airplanes operations this year, not only in terms of their time, but also other significant resources, and have done quite a bit to allow us to have a successful year in 2021 and also so far in 2022. We have Muriel Carpenter, Kutaiba Ijlibi, Mike Sabaski, and I just want to thank the three of them very much for everything that they have done to rally support for Paper Airplanes over this past year. For the advisory board, this is a special group of people who have been involved with Paper Airplanes in the past, either in a staff or a volunteer capacity, and they have also contributed significant time to advising on our policy and how we design our programs here at Paper Airplanes. So we've got several people I just want to recognize here: Anna, Gabby, Gray, Caitlin, Mayuri, Dimitri, and Valentina. So thank you all very much. We really appreciate your time as well. And for our curriculum design team, we have a handful of interns for the fall and spring who helped to shape our curriculum, helped with lesson planning and making corrections to the curriculum, and really helping to rebuild it from the ground up. So we've got Ahmad Abu Quran, Abed Riyad, Nawara Al-Nahar, and Amy Sleep.
Hi, everyone. My name is Shemal Ogayar, and I'm the Director of Communications and Fundraising for Paper Airplane. And I'm speaking today because this is my team, and I wanted to thank them so much for all the help they've given me this semester. Muhammad and Nicola are the amazing hosts for the YouTube team. I'm sure you've all seen them in our videos. And Rama and Rosa are our video editors. They've done such an amazing job. We started in February and we already have 14 videos on YouTube. Please check it out and subscribe. And we have so many more videos that have already been done and are just in editing, and so many more videos planned, and we are excited to show them all to you. Again, thank you to the communication teams. You guys are MVPs.
And thank you, Shema, for leading such a special team to get our social media going really robust this past year. So for cross-cutting team, of course, there's myself, but we wouldn't have been a strong core team this past year, of course, without Shema, Director of Comms and Fundraising, and Kareem, our office manager, who helped with everything finance and HR related. So thank you to the both of you for really co-guiding and making a lot of the strategic work decisions around the organization. And Women in Tech, I have a few special ladies here who are part of the team this past year. Rania, our program manager, Leslie, and Bara, our program coordinators. English program, of course, we've got Ibrahim, our program manager, as of fall of last year. And we've got Mahmoud, program coordinator, and Manar, admissions and enrollment coordinator. And we also have a handful of coordinators who assist with overseeing the tutors and students, Mohammed, Fatima, Sarah, and Shihab. And curriculum team, Maxine, Kate, and Stephanie do everything to build and maintain our English program curriculum.
Now we'd like to introduce Rania, the program manager for Women in Tech, to give the Women in Tech speech.
Hi everyone, my name is Rania and I work as the Women in Tech program manager. So I'll just say a few words regarding my experience as a Women in Tech program manager. So it's been almost a year since I started in this position, and I have to say it's been an inspiring learning journey even for me, like meeting staff members, volunteers, and students from around the world. Even though it was behind screens and online meetings, I could feel your passion towards achieving a great purpose. So, my dear students, I'm proud of your outstanding achievement, despite all of the challenges of having other commitments, submitting weekly assignments, and putting your hearts while working on your final projects. Yet, you managed to survive all of that with a brave heart and a curious mind. My advice for you is to keep that spark within you alive, the spark that moves you forward to learn and experience new things. And now I'm passing my mic to my colleague, Bara.
Yes, thank you, Rania. Hello everyone, I am Bara, information system engineer. My experience as a student and as I had a lot of difficulty, so to support other women and find a lot of opportunities and help a lot of women around me. Especially in the tech field that is in a great need to more women in it. So my experience with first, I learned a lot of soft skills. I learned from all team members. I'm proud that I had a good relationship with all team members, with all volunteers. And I feel so proud to have worked with, and to get to know all of them. I also feel proud when I see the students dream big and work hard to achieve their dreams and to build their lives. So I'm very happy and proud that I am in the team, and happy for you all, the students. Thank you.
And now we're gonna hear Tasneem's speech, who's one of our students who took a course with the Women in Tech program. You can go ahead, Tasneem.
Hello everyone, my name is Tasneem from Syria. Today I want to share my experience with you as a Paper Airplanes graduate students. At the beginning of my journey, I started learning web development by myself as a solo learner because I was looking for a remote job. At the same time, my friend advised me to apply to the Women in Tech program in Paper Airplane. Shortly after, I was accepted and I started the course. And really, they led me and put me on the right path, where I was able to build a website from scratch. During the course months, I worked with my team on several small projects. and the teamwork was brilliant. We communicated well and uploaded the projects to GitHub. This course gave me the opportunity to learn web development with awesome tutors and colleagues. So whatever goals we pursue, we can only achieve our dreams if we put in more effort and time. And for me as a mother, saving that time was not easy. Being a mother to 3 kids makes me want to listen to them and take care of them all the time. But when I started my studies, this fear was gone. When my kids saw me learning something new, they got motivated to search and learn. My experience with paper airplanes inspired them to also enter the field of technology. My daughter is learning graphic design now, and my son is curious about programming websites. After the course, I built some projects to earn certificate for Free Code Camp. This certificate in responsive web design. And now I'm learning the React library, if you know it, to improve my skills in JavaScript. And I am also working on some projects on WordPress. I really like this experience. I appreciate this experience. I love studying with paper airplanes, and I am very grateful for the opportunity that I had with them. And thank you for all.
Thank you so much, Tasneem, for your kind words. And we are really proud of your great achievement and how you inspired your family to learn as well. So now I'll be calling out the names of the graduates from the Women in Tech program. So sorry in advance for any pronunciation mistakes. I'm gonna try my best to read the names correctly. So we will start with the Business Analytics 1 course graduates. إسراء العداربة، فاطمة إبان أريكان، جمان القادرو، نوال جاد، نور سماق، رنيم الياغشي، رزان عيسى، سلام زين العابدين. And now moving to the Business Analytics 2 course graduates. We have Buthaina Zainuddin. And now Python course graduates. Alisar Kiswani, Asma Hussein, Asma Layla, Basma Kuhail, Dalia Abed, Dona Naddur, Hadia Hussein, Leen Hatem, Malak bin Abdullah, Noor El-Hamawi Al-Ashqar, Ula Khanji, Ragad Abdo, Rahma Al-Mahmoud, Riham Hels, Sali Abed. And now moving to the Web Development course graduates, we have Asifa Hassan, Bara Al-Nabulsi, Batul Hamada, Hiba Mustafa, Isra Warrar, Majd Darwish, Marah Mar'i, Noor Abu Hanna, Tasneem Mardood, Yamam Werde. So thank you all for taking part in this learning journey, and I really wish you all the best of luck in your career and studies. And thank you.
And now I'd like to introduce Ibrahim to come do the English program speech.
Thank you, Shaima. Hi, everyone. I'm Ibrahim. I'm the English program manager at Paper Airplanes. I joined Paper Airplanes in 2018 as a student, and then in 2019 as a student coordinator, in 2020 the admissions and enrollment coordinator, and 2021 the program coordinator, and now the English program manager. I appreciate your coming to this event to celebrate the graduation of several Paper Airplanes English program students. I want to mention those who contributed to the completion of the spring semester. I want to start by saying thank you to the tutors who donated some of their time to teaching students. Those tutors went above and beyond in their effort to improve the life of others. The work you've done is incredible. Along with teaching English, you also impacted someone's life. In the English program, there are hundreds of conflict-affected students who wanted to drastically alter their lives and need to learn English. Learning English may sound simple, but it's crucial for those who are stuck, for those who have lost their jobs or their studies as a result of the problems in their own countries. The majority of the returning tutors this semester stated that they wanted to continue their voluntary work because they recognized how important it was to teach English, not only for the sake of teaching, but also because doing so had a double effect. First, it does have an effect on the students' lives. Some students claimed that as their English got better, their lives started to alter. They become more open to training. They become opening up to the outside world and seeing the world as it is. And they realize that there are those who desire to lend a hand for free. Another influence is how it affects the tutors themselves, who claimed that I was greatly affected by my experience. I began to learn from students how to persist and remain steadfast in order to accomplish my goals. I became more organized, and when I understood that I had altered someone's life, my confidence began to grow. You did an excellent job. We appreciate it and wish you well in your life. Second, I want to express my gratitude to the partners, high schools and university clubs who have collaborated with us to support the students. Your assistance with the outreach to students and the tutors was quite beneficial. Furthermore, having you on board with us made it straightforward to communicate with the beneficiaries. It was a real pleasure working with you this semester. We value your work and we are excited to collaborate with you in the future. Additionally, I want to thank the English program team in particular, as well as the Paper Airplanes staff as a whole. Work has been more effectively organized thanks to Christina's leadership and support. The communication and curriculum staff also significantly contributed to the ease with which we could complete our tasks. I also wanted to acknowledge the hard work that the admissions and enrollment coordinator Manar and the program coordinator Mahmoud have done. This work was complementary to the large role presented by the student and the tutor coordinators, Shihab, Muhammad, Fatima, and Sarah. The best part of Paper Airplanes is your constant interaction with tutors and students to make sure that learning is taking place. I appreciate your work. All of the work we perform at Paper Airplanes is for students who've proven they can overcome challenges and turn them into an opportunity to learn English and improve their life. This change is seen in society as a whole in one way or another. Some of the graduates submitted an application to work as tutors rather than students in the English program. Others asked to join the team so they could assist the other students in the program. In the spring 22 semester, 28 students graduated from the English program. In addition to that, 14 students graduated in fall 21 semester. Some students made a brief presentation on the outcome of their work during their time at Paper Airplanes. These students graduated with honors. Our graduates now are proficient in using English for both job and school. We are pleased to assist you in realizing your objective and beginning to fulfill your ambitions. We are proud of you and your accomplishment. Now, I'm gonna share my screen and call out the names of the graduates. So first, I'll start with the Spring 2022 graduates with honors. Isra Jawish, Fadil Yusuf, Lujain Al-Asadi, Muaz Khattab, Muhammad Shushan, Sidra Ramadan, Shadha Hassan, and Spring 2022 graduates, Adnan Al-Mnini, Amjad Zakya, Aya Zarouk, Iman Bakli, Haitham Rufail, Hiba Khalbous, Laura Al-Jondi, Marwan Akkad, Muhammad Basil Shuban, Muhammad Nabhan Sawaz, Muhammad Al-Jabi, Mustafa Barakat, Nadine Al-Mardini, Nujud Al-Hifel, Noor Abu Saab, Rama Al-Juju, Rasha Hussein, Samar Musa, Sarah Al-Muaz, Walid Al-Rashid, Yaman Qassas. Now I'm calling out the full 2021 graduates with honors. Muhammad Ghalyoum, Najla Al-Zabi, Sarah Dardar, and the full 21 graduates, Abraham Fadli, Ala Al-Khabri, Bishar Al-Dibosh, Muhammad Shafiq Jadini, Muhammad Al-Najjar, Muhammad Hawa, Rana Ramadan, Rita Tanus, Radwan Karim Al-Din, Shihab Al-Khalaf, Zilal Shihadeh. Thank you so much and congratulations to all the graduates.
So now that we've concluded with our list of graduates, I just want to thank you, Ibrahim and Rania, for your presentations of the programs. Those were lovely and super inspiring. Personally, thank you both for your leadership over these past couple of semesters. That's led us to having such a remarkable group of graduates. And congratulations once again, of course, the reason why we're here today for the students. You put in hundreds of hours of hard work over this past year. And for those of you who have been with the program longer, significantly more than that. So thank you for staying committed to the program and for encouraging others to join Paper Airplanes and to change their lives too. It's been personally a remarkable journey for me in this position over this past year to watch you all excel and to learn these new skills. So thank you for allowing me to be a part of it as well. And of course, the final thanks to our partners and our board and advisory board, who are just as much a part of the team as those of us presenting today, and who make everything that we do possible here at Paper Airplanes. So a round of applause for everyone. If we can have a virtual applause. Yeah, excellent. And with that, unless Shema, you had any concluding remarks, I will go ahead and wrap it up today.
The only remark I have is congratulations to all the graduates. You all deserved it and earned it, and we are so proud of you all.
Yeah. Okay, well, with that, thank you everyone for tuning in today. And of course, don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. And we will see you for the fall semester. Take care, everyone.